Hey man, what's good? It's your boy Taizee. I know we going crazy. I'm back here with another video. I've been waiting to make this video for a long ass time, man. Today I'm gonna be unboxing my Trojan B.B Simon belt, man. Let's get straight into it. You see it, man. You see it. You see it. Simon himself sent it to me, man. We go way back. So according to the website, not every belt comes with a tin, but I'm shaking this. And you know, I can hear it, you feel me? And if it didn't come with a tin, I'm returning that bit. You don't know how long I've been waiting for this thing. Yo, deadass, if they sent me the wrong order, it's wraps. Alright, moment of truth. If they have the tin. Matter of fact, I'm gonna let y'all see this shit first, man. Ooh. Okay. Alright, you see it, you see it? Yo, I'm not gonna lie, I wanted the one that has the countries all over, but this one I think actually goes harder, bro. Like, look, that salmon with the red dots, bro. Oh my god. Alright, man, I'm gonna let y'all get the first peek, man. Alright. I ain't gonna lie, they got us. Feel me? Feel me? Ooh. Alright, without further ado, man. Without further ado. Let's get this bit. Ooh, that bit tough. Oh, that thing's tough, bro. That thing's tough. Look at that thing, bro. Look at that thing, bro. You see it right there. B.B Simon. Yes, sir. Listen, man, don't get this belt expecting not to stand out, bro. You are gonna stand out with this belt. So here's your buckle, man. Right here, you got the AB crystals. Basically, it just means that, like, they shine different colors. I don't know if you could, like, make that out. They don't shine like white. And the buckle itself obviously doesn't have, like, crystals, like a bunch of crystals on it, but it has a really cool flower like design and a bunch of like other stuff on it. Right here you got your B.B Simon tag because it's official. Right here you got the sizing, man. You got size 34. I'm guessing this is like a code or something, and then you got B.B Simon. Moving down, man, you got another flower with a little crystal right there. It goes hard. And going down, you got this little almost like glitter effect, and it's like rainbow. It's holographic basically, but when you feel it, it's dead smooth. It feels like leather, so this is definitely not coming off anytime soon. Moving down the line, you got a bunch of like beads. Some of them are different sizes, some of them have patterns on them, and then in between you got the crystals. The camera definitely makes out the belt to look a lot more darker, but trust, it's a lot more shinier and brighter. These are also the AB crystals. That's why it's called a Trojan AB belt, because the crystals shine like colorfully. I'm gonna show you a better angle with my phone after. Right here you got the holes. They're in there really discreetly. You can literally like barely see them. And in my opinion, one of the best parts of the belt, the end. See, again, you got the flower with the AB crystal inside of it, and then right here you got B.B Simon with some more AB crystals. For around $200, man, that thing is a solid pickup. It runs you way cheaper than all other designer belts. It's flashy, it's nice, it's good quality, and on top of that, it'll go with a lot of your clothes. While it does give a slight rainbow holographic hue off, the thing is basically silver and it'll go with a lot of your fits. So if you were thinking about getting the Noir or the Noir 2 or the blank, I highly suggest you to pay the extra like 30 bucks and get this one, because this one is just so fire, man, and it'll go with more clothes. So I ordered this thing on January 10th and it took until March 2nd for it to ship. After I shipped and I finally got confirmation, it finally arrived to me on March 8th. On the website, it tells you to wait 4 to 7 weeks for it to process. So as soon as it hit 7-week mark for me, I called them up and I asked them like, yo, where's my belt at? I need it. And basically 2 days later, they gave me a shipping confirmation and that thing was shipped. So if you're having issues with your B.B Simon belt, it's been more than 7 weeks, I definitely recommend you to call them, bro. They do ship it out. Let me tell y'all, man, I'm looking back at it again and again. Bro, that shit is straight pressure, bro. I'm being so dead ass. The thing doesn't look as good on camera or on video. The thing looks really fire IRL though. If you need something ASAP or don't have the patience to wait for this, then definitely I don't recommend you to buy it, because you definitely are gonna have to wait. I'm not trying to go on a talking spree about the shipping and this belt and all that, so if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Let me show you a quick view of this belt with the iPhone camera. Enough with that though, let's try this thing on. If you enjoyed this video, man, go check out my other ones. I promise you won't be disappointed. Let me know what I should do next. Apart from that though, man, y'all know me with taizeeproductionz going crazy.